Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Redshift ML for model training inside SQL, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Redshift ML for model training inside SQL, begin by accessing your Amazon Redshift cluster. Make sure your cluster is running and you have the necessary permissions to create resources. Connect to your Redshift cluster using your preferred SQL client. Once connected, ensure you have data in your Redshift tables that you want to use for model training. Start by creating a training data table if you do not already have one. Use the Create Tables statement to define your table structure and insert your data accordingly. Next, confirm that the Amazon Redshift ML extensions are enabled for your cluster. You can check this by executing the command select AWS_IAM_role from STL_user where user_ID equals. If the required permissions are not available, you may need to contact your AWS administrator. Now, let's create a model using the Create Model statement. Specify the model type you want to train, such as a linear regression or a binary classification model. Include the name of your model and the training data you've prepared. For example, create model my_model_name from my_training_data_table. Define the target column for prediction and any features you want to include in your training. Next, you can include additional options like hyperparameters, if necessary. Once you execute your model creation command, it will begin training on the specified data. You can monitor the training process by querying the STL_model, which provides information on model training jobs. As the training completes, check for any errors in the process and ensure the model has been successfully created. To evaluate the performance of your model, you can use the select statement along with the predict function. This allows you to apply your model to new data for predictions. Review the results to understand how well the model is performing and whether it meets your objectives. If needed, iterate on your model by adjusting features or retraining with additional data. Finally, document your model training process and results for future reference. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Redshift ML for model training inside SQL. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.